Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to switch accounts in Township. Now, whether you're managing multiple towns or sharing a device with family, I'm going to walk you through how to switch accounts in Township. So to switch accounts and add your device, open Township and launch your game on the device, which I've done right here. Now tap on this three horizontal lines, then select the gear icon in the top left corner to open the settings menu. Under the settings where you have your social accounts, all right, go ahead and tap on, you have the sign in with Facebook, and then you have save progress. So you can just go ahead and click on, okay, I'm clicking on additional settings and news, community, more games. All right, settings, and on the save progress, click on the save progress, you're going to see two options. So sign in with Google and sign in with Facebook. So go ahead and tap on any, either sign up with Google, sign in with Google, or sign in with Facebook. Just use any of them that is associated, any of the accounts associated with the township town you wish to access. Then once you're signing with and click on any of them, a prompt to appear asking if you want to load the existing town link to the account. So go ahead and type confirm to proceed. Switching accounts will replace the current town on your device with the one link to the new account to ensure your current progress is saved before proceeding. All right, so for iOS device, launch the game on your device, then tap the gear icon located in top left corner to open the settings menu. On the social accounts, tap Game Center or Facebook and select Disconnect. Tap Game Center or Facebook again and sign in with the account associated with the township town you wish to access. A prompt will appear asking if you want to load the existing town link to the new account. Type confirm to proceed. Switching accounts replace the current town on your device with the one link to the new account to ensure your current progress is saved before proceeding. So if you're having an issue with changing accounts, you can just go ahead and click on help and support and let them know that you want to switch accounts. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, it'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.